Okay, guys, we're going to go over the Members app and the Train app by push press. So if you haven't done so, download these two apps here. We're going to start with the Members app. This is your main screen. It says Hi Ross or whatever your name is. This is your QR code or whatever that will do. Haven't quite figured that out yet. But then you're going to go up to the left-hand corner, those three lines, and this is your main screen. This is where you'll look at your classes, your workouts, any pre-orders that we might have. So here I am in the classes tab. I'm going to switch over to Monday, and I want to go to the 5 a.m. class with Coach Tony. So I'm going to click on that class and then hit reserve. And that just signs me up for that class. If you go back into it, you can see there's 13 spots left, and I'm the only person registered for it on this, where you can see who else is registered. Or if you need to remove it, you do it from there as well, too. And from here, you can click on the Workouts tab. Nothing's really in this yet. It's still in the beta transition with Train, so it hasn't quite flowed over perfectly yet, but you will be able to view the workouts from this app. You won't be able to log any scores on this. It'll kick you over to Train if you do try to log from there. This is your main screen again, where you can go into your settings, your home profile from here. Anything else that you need to do, this is where you would edit your photo that you want, or any information that you need to update as well too. Let's switch over to Train. This is the workout training app. So on Train here, the workouts will be posted 1 week in advance. So you would be able to look at any workout for the entire week on this app as well, instead of having to go online and look at that members section. You can just do it from this app. So let's take a look at tomorrow. So we're going to do a warm-up. We got typical warm-up. We're going to get into our strength, which is back squat, and then a fun Metcon interval style sprints for you guys. It's going to be a fun one tomorrow, but this is where you would look at what that workout is fully. In that left-hand corner, there's a little sticky note, and that's the gym notes, your athlete's note, and coach's notes, what we want you guys to focus on and what the stimulus is of that workout. That's where you'll find those notes up on that left-hand corner, that little sticky note. Right next to it is the results. So if you click on that, your score, people that have entered scores, you can see where they're at strength, performance, fitness wise. And then that other little tab brings you down to the bottom for the workout chat, where you can just talk about the workout with everyone else in the gym. To the left, down on the bottom, there is a little announcements thing. This is pretty cool. This is like Instagram, but for our gym. You can put anything on your pictures, videos, comments, memes. Have fun with it. Just be appropriate with it, please. But a really fun thing that's included in Train. The market is on the next one, and then your performance history. So any scores that you've entered will be in here. You can scroll through theirs. I've just kind of entered a few in here and there to look at. And here is where you can search and kind of see your performances over time. So if I wanted to look at like my back squat, I can type in back squat and click on back squat down there. And I've only entered in 2 results, so it's only going to show me 2 results. But over time, you'll have different results in there. It'll kind of show you where you've been at with your back squat and your numbers there. Left or to the right of that is your profile, and this is where you can look at different things, your account, your programs. But let's go back into the performance thing here, and this is where you can enter in actual scores. So if you want to switch over anything from Wodify and add your weightlifting totals in, or a score from a workout, this is where you do it. So here, let's say I want to add a power clean max in. So I'm going to type that in, have Train search for it, and when it pulls up here, this is where I would enter my best score for it. So 1 rep, max power clean. I'm going to hit this here. I'm going to hit 1 rep and then put in the best ever that I've ever done, and then save new result. Oops, I gotta actually hit RX up on top there. I'm not exactly sure why I have to do that, but that's just the way it is right now. Save new result, and it's gonna score that for me. So now I have a power clean number in there. Again, this is where you would do that with any lifts that you want to transfer over from Wodify. Not necessary, but it is there for you if you want to. And this is where your calculator will be based off of your 1 rep max to find certain percentages if you want to do this instead of using a regular calculator. That is the Train app, and we will be starting to use this officially December 1st, but it is live now if you guys want to start adding scores in and playing around with it from here on out.